In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add drawings to your Google Doc. This is a great tool for enriching your documents with visual elements, and it's pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. Whether you're looking to illustrate a point, make your document more engaging, or simply enjoy the creative process, this feature will serve you well. First, you'll want to open your Google Doc. This is going to be your workspace, so make sure you have it ready. Once you're in, head on up to the menu bar at the top of your screen. You're going to click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear, filled with numerous options you might recognize, but our particular focus today is on Drawing. Hover over it, and then select Plus New from the options that appear next. This will bring up a pop-up drawing canvas. Now, this is where the magic happens. Here, you'll find a suite of tools at your disposal, allowing you to create various types of drawings to suit your needs. Let's walk through these tools. First, you have lines. Not just ordinary straight lines, but also arrows, elbow connectors, curves, and even a scribble option for those times when you just need a freehand touch. Next up are the shapes. You can insert a variety of these too, like rectangles and circles, to help emphasize key points or create diagrams. Then, of course, there are text boxes and word art. Text boxes are perfect for adding a bit of explanation or accompanying text directly onto your drawing. Word art, on the other hand, lets you add more stylized text, which can be a fun way to make your headings pop. For a more organic touch, you might want to try the scribble option. This is ideal when you want to inject a bit of personality into your work with freehand drawing. It's an excellent way to unleash your creativity and make your document truly unique. Once you're happy with your creation, look to the top right corner of the canvas and click Save and Close. This action will insert your drawing directly into the Google Doc. It's as easy as that. You've now added a visual dimension to your document, which can help clarify, engage, or simply beautify your content. But what if you want to tweak it later on? No worries. Simply click on the drawing within your document. You'll see an option to Edit. Clicking this will take you right back into the drawing canvas, where you can freely make any adjustments you desire. This flexibility allows you to refine your work and ensure it's perfect every time. And there you have it. You've just learned how to seamlessly incorporate drawings into your Google Docs, all with a few clicks. Thanks for watching and happy creating.